The 2017 California wildfires were monumental, reshaping communities and landscapes across the state. Over 1 million acres burned, forcing thousands from their homes and leaving a scar on the land. The fires severely impacted local ecosystems, with oak woodlands and chaparral habitats transformed dramatically. In the aftermath, communities displayed resilience, coming together to rebuild and foster new strategies for fire prevention. This event underscored the delicate balance between human life and nature, prompting reflections on climate adaptation and sustainable living. Until today, it serves as a poignant reminder of the need for proactive measures against such devastating natural forces.